Welcome to another edition of the Bush Pot Cooking. Today I'm going to teach you how to cook stew fish and bulgur. Before we get into it, if you're not a subscriber to my channel, click the subscription button below, like this video, share it with family and friends, leave a comment. Thank you very much for your support.
Yes.
Let's
Today,
get into
we're up
it.
on the farm and we cook some bulgur and peas and stew fish. Yeah man, and today ingredients what we need, we have with fish, we have with peas, yes sir, bulgur, we have onion, tomato, carrot, scallion, sweet pepper, thyme, garlic, pepper, and of course enough okra, and then see coconut milk over here, so we have lemon. Alright, see it? I wish the fish I may go season shortly. Alright, right now I'm just going to throw in the coconut milk in the pot and make it go and spice up nice. You want to see where we pot and go? One made, you know, see it? Put in some coconut milk, you know, without coconut milk it can't nice, you know. Yo! Alright, so right now we're going to season up the fish them. Some of them already seasoned. Our peas pre-cooked. Alright, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to use, what I have here is just some Maggi season mixed with black pepper. We're not putting any salt on it, yeah? So we have to season the cavity of the fish properly. This is where this part of the fish has to be seasoned good. Alright? And then I'm going to fry them and then I'm going to cook them over. So now what we're going to do, we're going to add the peas to the coconut milk, yeah? And season up the pot. Alright, so now that the coconut milk give me a nice little custard on top of it, I'm going to add in the peas. This is what we're going to make the rice and the bulgur taste nice. Alright, we're going to season up this now. Making it simmer down. Yeah. We have some scallion, we have some thyme, we have garlic, we have clove, we have pimento, and we have pepper. That's what we have put in the pot to season it up. All natural seasoning. Yeah. And then I'm going to put in a pinch of salt and I can blow the flavor. Alright, so right now we're going to line up the pot with the bulgur. So we're going to wash the bulgur here now and put it in the pot. This is called bulgur. My Haitian friends call it blé.
It's very healthy.
Yeah, man. Wash it first, huh? 2 or 3 times. We're going to add in the bulgur to the pot now. Bulgur cook just like rice and peas, people. There's nothing special about cooking bulgur. It's the same principle of rice and peas. An inch of water above the rice or the bulgur or whatever you're cooking in the wheat, and it will cook. Once the water boil up, then we're going to turn on the fire and let's make it steam out. And so bulgur, look.
Teach you some thing or two, you know.
We should say teach. Where you teach? You teach Biggs and she go for quick. You teach them. I'm going to turn up by the fire a little bit now. And make this boil up and then turn it back down and make it simmer down. Yeah, so I turn up by the fire. Oh, hey, look. Yeah? Yes, so I go get a 2-burner.
Easy, man. It can't be easy.
Yard burner thing now work. Yes, a yard man I like 1 burner.
Viewers and subscribers.
Yes, watch out now. What we are going to do now, we're going to do some roast okra. We never do this before. First time done. But I try a thing with roast okra. We have okra logo, so we just roast one okra, you know?
Yeah, show them the okra. See them there.
We have okra logo around this. What's your okra farmer? See me, I know.
Yeah, man.
Right now, you know why I'm a farm so much okra? Tell people that you farm so much okra.
Shit. You want a youth?
Yeah? G-Go.
That's what I'm planning for the new year, Biggs.
Yeah, man.
Shit okra, yeah, okra and fish.
Why?
Yeah, man.
Me, man, baby, next year.
Next year.
Happy Father's Day, Biggs.
Alright, so you say, Answer, you sample one of the roast okra.
Yes, man.
And tell me how I go and feed them.
We're gonna okra, you know what I mean, on the farm, you know?
Yeah.
Roast, you know what I mean? Damn! Put 3 dozen more on it.
3 dozen more?
Yes, man.
So who you think should eat the most of the okra you know?
Right. Biggs, step forward. So we get a big one for the Biggs, you know?
A big one for Biggs.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Tell him.
Biggs, roast okra. Wow. I taste gassy.
You want to eat that?
I eat that.
You going to find you?
That's so funny. So all that money we can't get no you. That's a roast okra.
Roast okra.
So right now I forgot roast 2 dozen okra for you.
Yeah, man. I'm done for Chico.
What I'm gonna do right now is that I'm gonna prepare the seasoning for the fish. Yeah, so we okra in here. And we have tomato, scallion, thyme, garlic, onion, pepper, carrot, and sweet pepper inside here. So, yeah. Alright, so let's wash them off. I'm gonna prepare them for the stew fish. Yeah. Well, after about 45 minutes, half an hour, this is what the bulgur look like. Simmer down nice. Alright, so right now people, I'm gonna put the fish in a little bit of spelled flour to fry them so they have a nice coat and it give the gravy a nice texture. Yeah? Check out the flour people, spelled flour. Alright?
Garlic, pepper, tomato. One for me too late.
The fish they fry nice golden brown, you see? The color you want on the fish them. Yeah man. Nice golden brown fish. So the first thing we put in, throw in some oil already, because I throw the pepper. Yeah, some garlic, some pimento and clove. And pass the big spoon for me now, please. Yeah man, you see that? Yeah man. Drop in tomato, yeah? Nah man, we know it's a paprika, man. Brown the fish them already.
What's your promise now?
Fire side hot, boy, hot. Yes, big. Yeah man, see them? Season started nice, you know? These are magic ingredients, you know? Coconut milk. Come
Get
next.
okra where? Give me one.
See, you can't hold?
Yeah, man.
You know my God?
Give me one okra.
Show it tonight.
You can't go right here, get them past.
That's call it, you know? So right now, Chico.
Yeah, man, I mean, man.
Yeah man, you have to clean up, you know?
Right now, I can't cook, so right now, I'm here, man.
That's the right there, you can't cook.
Yeah, man, I'm here, man.
So you do this scallion work.
Yeah, man.
Alright, start out the table for me. On your for them. And I steam them real nice fish. Yeah man, low enough in a pot, you know? I put in the fish them to cook down. Making a gravy, you know? Yeah man. See there? Just simmer them, you know? Yeah man, so right now we're just allow this to simmer down in a gravy. Yeah man. Turn up the fire back a little bit on them. And we'll cover up the pot and make it simmer down, you know? See it there? So I put the fish in and I'm going to put some of the vegetable on the top. Because earlier I sauteed the vegetable. But I think everything can hold though. Yes people, see it there? We have stew fish and bulgur rice. Yeah man, see it there? Fish ready, you know? Biggs, take out the pot there for fire for me, please. Don't put your fire. Come in with the pot, Biggs. Yeah man. Thing ready and up now, you know? Yeah man, see it there? Stew fish. And bulgur. What are you sure then?
Yeah, man. I hit man.
How much food is?
Real big man.
Real big man, yeah. D9. I will feed the D9 good enough because any hard work they have to do in a D9 movie, you know? Yeah man. Yeah, you say? You see that one, yeah?
I hit man.
How for plate this?
Yeah, man. I real done that.
I really don't know that. Carry that plate again.
Real boss, yeah?
Why? Big's rough, you know? Big's up place, a big plate. Gentlemen, wagwan. Farmer Reefer. Wagwan. It's wonderful, yeah?
I have carrot, I have okra, I have fish steamed down in coconut juice.
Yeah,
Right now, them are sitting man to live upon.
yeah,
Mother Earth.
yeah.
Them a make man represent themselves.
Yeah.
Yes.
What attack? Rum or food?
So,
What attack? You attack or rum attack?
between me and the rum, you know.
And so you go here now, no? Tell me what go on. How you Bulgur stay?
For the farm, you know what I mean? Vital is vital, as we say, you know?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. Some Bulgur, you know what I mean?
And swim around.
Swim around and a coconut bag of okra, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Yes, man, I eat, man.
Crocus bag of okra.
Yes, man.
So one will feed the most okra right now for the farm.
Well, you know, it's a big today.
How well?
Now I left him out, you know what I mean? I'm a good friend, Gigi.
And such man in the corner there.
Such man, yes, you know what I mean? Yeah, man.
I want me to feed more okra.
Why?
2021.
2021, you know?
What got in 2021?
Result.
Result.
What kind of result?
That's the result that can come out.
Right now, such man mash up that and such man look like good to go for the next plate. Where you say? Where you say, Biggs? You could knock on the next plate now? Hey, Biggs.
What? Can't go?
Where you say, yeah? Biggs, you underestimate you? Yes, people, see final product here. Bulgur and stew fish. Night, man.